friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake new mid-tower divider 500 chassis. So friends, Thermaltake has unveiled the new mid-tower divider 500 chassis with TG ARGB and TG Air editions. So friends, this brand new mid-tower case comes with two editions, the sensational TG ARGB with motherboard sinks and the new variant TG Air, which stands for airflow, and friend, with its ultimate body design and special symmetrical triangular panels. The Divider 500 is an ATX mid-tower chassis that is designed with supreme hardware backing, support for DIY liquid solution, and offers high quality 3 mm thick tempered glass window panels at the front, top, left and right for the Divider 500 TG ARGB. And friend, the crystal clear window design with two TG panels permits user to fully display and admire all components to their build. And friend, the Divider 500 series also contains a mixture of open frame style elements, customizable options, and comes with two extra side panels, and extra TG left side panel for a better view and another extra steel right side panel for better airflow. And friend, you have the option to switch from the perspective to semi-perspective while looking stunning, well fitted with the Distro-Plate with the TG panel on the right side of build, so you can view your interior components from all angles. And friend, the panels of the Divider 500 are different from the normal rectangle panels. They are designed with special symmetrical triangular pieces which are rare to the market, and neat and fashionable design pushes aesthetic to the another level. And friend, the Divider 500 series highlights both thermal cooling performance and aesthetic. User can find 4 styles in one case. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.